How to find empty servers in Roblox. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started. So this can be done on both your mobile phone and your PC or laptop. It does not really matter because it's all the same. Now, what you want to do is select any game you would like to play. So I'll just select, for example, Blade Ball over here, which looks quite fun. And I'll just make this a bit bigger and I'll just scroll down. And here you have a couple of options where you want to click on. And here you can see servers. Now click on there. This will bring this over. And actually this game, I actually didn't know that, but to create a private server is actually free, but normally this costs Robux. So what you can actually do is go to other servers, and then here you want to select exclude full servers. So this will not show up any full servers anymore. Then what you want to do is click on instead of descending to ascending. So this will go from low to high, and there we go. We will find servers with 1 out of 15 people, and we could join that and have like almost an empty server, like almost a private server basically, where you can easily grind games without people trying to interfere or whatever. So let's say I were to click on this game, do it again, servers, exclude, and then ascending. There we go. We found some more empty servers, which is great. So that is basically it. That's how to find empty servers in Roblox. I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.